let me take you straight to my lab and let's make this. I hope you are going to love it. This is healthy, smells good, and very delicious. Trust me, this is how I'll be doing my shito if I'm the only one going to eat it. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my channel. Let's get started because I don't want to waste your time. So I have my tofu here, okay? I seasoned it with some ginger, garlic, pepper, and onga stew for 3 days, and it was in the fridge. So after 3 days I mashed it, and this is how it looks. If you want to know how I made the tofu, a link will pop up, and also I will leave the link in the description. Kindly check it out. So I will just go ahead and add it to my oil, and that is the only oil we are going to use for this shito. We are not going to use a lot of oil, and I will tell you why. So to be honest with you, I don't know the ingredients I'm going to use. I'm just adding and adding because I'm just doing some try and error. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out or get to a result whereby I can do my shito in a very healthy or veganicious way. Don't look for veganicious because it came to my mind. I don't think it's a word. Okay, yeah. So after frying this, I added my pepper cubes, which I made at home. I'll bring you the recipe. And now I've added ginger, garlic, and onion. The stew you saw earlier was the reason behind this shito. Anytime I fry my tofu, that is the stew I get. And trust me, I prepare tofu every week because that is my protein I really enjoy. Okay, yes. As at this time, I don't know what to add again, and the thing is already looking like soup. And my husband was laughing at me. Can you imagine? So I'll go ahead and add some pepper. He was like, Nadia Suni. You again. Every day you're trying something. But I didn't mind him. So I went ahead to stir it, then added some soya spice. Okay. When I added the soya spice, it became thick, a bit thick. And I was like, hey, is it not going to destroy my shito? Then I remembered that there was a time Obapa used soya spice, okay, for her shito. So I'm good to go. Then I went ahead to blend some herbs. That is what I've added. I blended with a little oil. Okay, so I'll write all the herbs I blended on the screen, and you are going to love it. Right now in my kitchen, oh my goodness, the smell alone can get me some boyfriend. Don't mind me. Yes, it smells good. So I've added some pepper flakes, and still the thing looks like some China soup be. Oh my goodness. It doesn't look like stew. Okay, it is like soup. Yes. So I decided to add some tomato paste. Oh my goodness, and this was a miracle. Okumjola is a miracle. This tomato paste was okumjola. It made it a bit thicker. So let's continue. So I'll give it a gentle stir, and now let me show you how it looks. That's incredible. But me, I have patience. Or will be bad. So don't worry. Let's continue. I just love the tofu that is in. You can see how chunky they are. I just love it, and it is very dry as well. So please, when you are seasoning the tofu, remember you don't add a lot of the onga stew, okay, because it may be salty. and me leaving it in the fridge for 3 days wasn't a deliberate, okay? Just that I didn't know how to start this whole thing. That's why I left it in the fridge. So you can just season it for some few hours, then you are good to go. Now you can see our shito, it is becoming thicker. As I told you earlier, I have patience, so let's do it. So after some few minutes, trust me, I didn't look at the time, okay? After some few minutes, this is how the shito is looking, and now I have hope. Oh yeah, my brother-in-law is called Hope, so I have hope. So now it is a bit darker, but this is not how I want it. I want it very darker. I don't know if you've realized this. When you prepare shito, as the days go by, the shito becomes darker. Maybe you've never realized it, but when you prepare shito, just look at it, okay? So I left it for the next day, and oh my goodness, the shito became darker, and I was very excited. So I will show you how it looks the next day. Please, when you are making this, try to use any season of your choice, okay? Try to use any season of your choice. So the next day, this is how it looks. And when my husband tasted it, he liked it. He was so happy, and I was like, you were laughing at me. And he was the one who was even giving me thumbnail ideas. Thank you very much for watching, and try this. You will love it, trust me. So I didn't use a lot of oil because I didn't use fish. When you use fish for shito, it absorbs a lot of oil. Yes, that is why I didn't use a lot of oil. So you are going to love this and try it. This one, it was nice. Please do not forget to follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. The next day again, which is 2 days after the shito, you can see it is becoming darker. Yes, and please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more updates. I'll be bringing you another nice recipe very soon. See you in the next one. Bye.